Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a loop recording for your dashcam mode on your DJI Osmo Action 6. DJI Osmo can record in loop, and it's useful for many different scenarios, including dash cams. So if you'd like to use it as a dash cam or any other reason why you want to use loop recording, slide up from the bottom of your screen, then tap on this recording button here and select loop recording. Now select the mode and you can set the loop duration to maximum 5 minutes, 20 minutes, and 1 hour. And that means that after that time, it will overwrite the old recordings, which is great for example, using it as a dashcam, because as a dashcam you don't really need to have like some old recordings when nothing happened, and it will just save the let's say last 5 minutes and when you press on the shutter button to end recording, it'll save the last 5 minutes of the video. So and the max is basically using the full storage, and once the full storage is gone, it'll overwrite the old data. So let's say I'll set it to 5 minutes, and then when I start recording, I have now started, then after 5 minutes it'll just start overwriting old footage, and when I stop recording, it will just save the last 5 minutes of the recording. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.